Hello, my name is Anastasia, owner of Top Tier Bartending. Today we will be creating a StoneFruit Sour. And first we are going to do 1.5 of the Lobos Reposado tequila. And since we're making two today, we're gonna double up and we're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice to give us some sour, 1 ounce of peach puree, just to give our cocktail a little flavor. See, if you like peach, this might be a really good option. So next we're gonna use some amaretto, about 0.75. So here we have some egg whites. I know a lot of people are not fond of egg whites, but you really wouldn't even taste it. And it's gonna equal out your drink. So take away the little sour, tartness, the strongness, it's perfect. Only about 1 ounce of egg white. You want to put it on there nice and tight and shake. About 15 seconds, nice and cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour over. All right, cheers, ladies.